Good morning, it's April 7th, 2010, and this is your Daily Outlook. FOMC minutes are released indicating a dovish Federal Reserve. Tuesday's trading saw the dollar weaken across the board as the FOMC minutes indicated that the current level of interest rates in the US will remain low for an extended period. Despite the dovish tone, the minutes showed that the Fed is optimistic about the current economic recovery, however also indicated a slight concern about the drop in inflation figures. Equity markets in the US closed positive yesterday as they cheered the dovish Fed, and the S&P closed at 0.17%. Two-year yields traded back down to 1.13% from a high of 1.19%, with the dollar-yen tracking the yield lower to 93.54 from a high of 94.67. The Bank of Japan will end a two-day policy meeting at 6:30 GMT, with Governor Shirakawa holding a news conference. In Europe yesterday, we had negative sentiment prevail and the euro-dollar approaching a yearly low of 132.70 due to concern over the agreed plan by EU and the IMF. The concern is that opposition is building within the Greek parliament over the further austerity measures imposed on Greece via the IMF. The second cause of concern is over the interest rate, which was agreed upon by Greece and the EU IMF plan. The euro-dollar price action yesterday was between 134.96 and 133.55 as risk aversion gripped the markets. In the UK, the concern remains over a hung parliament, which saw sterling dollar trade as low as 151.27. However, a positive surprise from UK construction PMI coming in at 53.1 compared to an expectation of 48.8 saw the sterling dollar pare its losses and rally back up to a high of 152.81. Today's financial calendar will focus on services PMI reports both from Europe and the UK, both expected to remain unchanged. In the US, we have a number of Fed members speaking, as well as the Fed Chairman Bernanke. A rhetoric will most likely reflect the latest FOMC minutes, and no surprises are expected. Currencies to watch out for: the euro-dollar and dollar-yen. The euro-dollar pivot point is at 134.25, with a preference to enter in short positions at 134.15. The dollar-yen pivot point is at 93.60, with a preference to enter into long positions at 93.65. Today's calendar and market movers: EU PMI services for March expected at 53.7, UK PMI services for March expected at 58, US crude oil inventories for the week expected at 1 million barrels, and US Fed Chairman Bernanke will be speaking in Dallas. Now on to equity markets. US equities closed positive on Tuesday, with the Dow closing at 0% and the SP 500 at 0.17%. The European bourses were positive on Tuesday, with the FTSE up 0.62%, the DAX at 0.27% and the CAC closing up at 0.49%. At the time of writing, the Nikkei was at 0.09% and the Hang Seng at 1.46%. This has been your Daily Outlook. I'm Emma and Joe from the easy-forex dealing room. Have a good day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.